Flood your sites with free traffic review. Have you ever heard of the word affiliate marketing? The Empire program is designed by Fergal Downs to provide people with affiliate marketing training. Newbie-friendly method reveals how we make $128 plus per day with free traffic in just 30 minutes per day. Here's why you need to get an Empire right now. No Google, Facebook or Bing ads. No creating videos. Newbie-friendly method works for anyone, period. Unlimited free traffic system. Benefits of Empire program. This marketing course makes its participants build their own affiliate marketing empire. It is a simple and effective affiliate marketing training program. What do you get when you join the Empire system? Through the Empire program, you will get Empire tutorial that includes step-by-step training on affiliate marketing. This program also includes a secret strategy to get free traffic on your marketing website to increase the sale of your product and services. Pros. To learn new marketing strategies that you could use in your real time for your business growth. Easily learn how to convert your website visitors as your customers. To provides you with all the solutions and helps with the problems that you face in your online business. Empire system price and plans. The Empire program is available for a monthly subscription of $37 per month. Does it really work? Yes, this useful and beneficial program has benefited many people to build up their own business and for their business growth. Empire bonuses. Monthly live training, Facebook mastermind group, live help and support. The people who want to start their business by just sitting at home with all home comforts, for them, the Empire program is the most recommended training program.